a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Baby shark is going to school today. Scary ocean school. Hip hooray! Oh! Zombie shark says brains, brains. Green and slimy, funny chains. Baby shark swims, whoa, whoa, whoa. Laughs and says, let's go, go, go. Scary Singapore. Scary school, spooky school. Zombies, mummies, super cool. Boo, boo, boo. It is scary school. Come with me. Mummy fish is wrapped so tight. Shuffle, shuffle, left and right. Baby shark says, you look funny. Mummy fish says, you're my buddy. Scary Singapore. Scary school, spooky school. Zombies, mummies, super cool. Boo, boo, boo. It is scary school. Come with me. Which octopus with magic spell? Swish, 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 ring the bell. Candy, chalk, and purple light. Baby shark jump. What a sight! Scary Singapore. Scary school, spooky school. Zombies, mummies, super cool. Boo, boo, boo. It is scary school. Come with me. Skeleton crab goes click, click, clack. Bony dance, no turning back. Rattle, rattle, shake, shake, shake. Baby shark joins. No mistake. Scary Singapore. Scary school, spooky school. Zombies, mummies, super cool. Boo, boo, boo. It is scary school. Come with me. Ha ha ha. Lights go dark, big surprise. All the monsters take off disguise. They are friends in spooky play. Baby shark, cheers. Oh, hip hooray! Scary school, spooky school. Zombies, mummies, super cool. Boo, boo, boo. It is scary school. Come with me. Ha ha ha! Shock, shock, shock! Best scary school in the ocean rock. Wow! Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. Baby lying in the bed, looking low underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the pane, little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. I'll lift baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound when stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star two glow and blue, hello star, I see you too. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four, more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five, so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Flying softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby, moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere, magic sparkles in the air. Owl says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep, baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, breezes are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun, I wish I could out there and touch the stars shining, yippee, and touch the stars shining fair. By wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smiles so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Wow! Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, no more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters